So, hi everyone, welcome to Scratch Project. Now let's learn about the Scratch. Let's go to Version, move 10 step. After that, we go to Events. When we click it, then go to Sounds, play sound. Now, but we want more cooler. Now let's go, so choose a bright. We'll be choose the sprite. Then we choose the backdrops. We'll be choose here the socket. Oh, a little bit bigger. But before, we need to have for people. Let's search him. Sports. Okay, this is sport. So, but the player need to be small. Zoom in to 50. The soccer ball is bigger. This need to be smaller. We'll move to 70. Now let's put another soccer ball. We choose this. But first, let's zoom in to 40. Like that. And it's just painful. But first, let's go to Events. When we click it, it will be moved 10 steps. And like this. Go to Costume. But first, like this. Go to Code. Here. After that, we're searching another. Sports. But first, one. Here to work like that. Let's go to its costume. But before that, I will use here like that. And I weighted the hand here. Wait. Want to create a story, right? Delete all of them. Let's take this night city. Yeah, that's what we wanted. We chose a car, but we have too many. So, then now let's be searching the car. Wait, here's the scratch tours. Like that. 90%. And then we're searching the traffic from here 90. Searching another one, a car. This time we use that car. For the small car, that one for the big car, but it's a little bit too small. Switching to 200. Yes. And that car just here. Oh, that's big. It's big. 150. Yes. Good word. I just arrived here. Here we use our ring. Yes. Good. What is 150? No. 40. Absolute. Not 150. If the car is smaller than the people, the world will be death. And then let's searching another one. We'll be searching the moon. First, let's take a fire. F-I-R-E. Drag. Rained. Wait. Here, rainbow. They know rainbows at night. There's that already. We'll put the gold later. Wait. more way bigger. Watch. But first, let's the city bus. We would just go events, and when we click it, after that, when we click it, we go to motion block and move 10 steps. Watch this. Again and again until it reaches the center. It reaches that, it go back. I might say, guys, it's here. Then we're just riding. So this is the city bus. Let's go to sound. Car room. Then we go to control and we take forever blocks. After that we go to lighting. Lighting, we just go to events when we click it. Motion. Wait. Oh. Now this time you just use the same blocks. Okay. Same block. That was to it. Motion. 10 step. Sound. Play sound. City bus. Car room.
See? So again, here are some formulas of popular opinions. If anyone else hates, does anyone else hate as negative? No. But if anyone hates it,
Even click it.
double negative. Reminder, fill this out. Yeah. Take a step by step point. Yeah. How to get it points. Yeah. How to change a tire in the winter months when it's cold outside and you winter. You know what I mean? Again, guys, don't forget Instagram. It's not like a better information. So, Instagram, the place of story and yeah. So it's how I become today. How I beat the market, how I beat the market $2,000. Yeah. Let me show you step by step how to tell the story
I think we're finished. Now watch this. Wait, the people didn't go. Wait, what is? Let's go to him.
Why not the shepherd? And why must the right? These new shepherds are they're not shepherds. I said why? Because when I was set, they every scratch. There was no order. They were still older. No, none of that.
It works. Yes. So this is the story. Now, one more good. Yes. So this is the end of the series. So bye everyone for listening my video.